Christmas is right around the corner, and the main question is, have you been naughty this year or have you been nice? Because Santa's got the list, and today we are making it. Ladies and gents, the cocktail we are making today is Why Santa Has a Naughty List. It's really easy to make, it's built directly in a glass, so without further ado, let's make a Why Santa Has a Naughty List. First, we are going to fill our glass with ice. Start by adding 1 ounce of gin, followed by 1 ounce of Amaretto, top this up with your favorite lemon lime soda, Sprite 7-Up, whatever you got at hand. And add a splash of Grenadine. Give it a quick stir. And garnish with a candy cane. Add a straw. And that's it, ladies and gents. Why Santa Has a Naughty List. Cheers! Simple, sweet, tasty. Amaretto is dominant. You can taste a little bit of grenadine, lemon lime soda. I can't taste gin. It's quite nice, so I recommend it definitely. Put it on your Christmas list. Well, ladies and gents, boys and girls, we made a Why Santa Has a Naughty List. Have you been naughty? Have you been nice? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.